King, remember, triple threat rules. The first person to gain pinfall or submission wins. Additionally, anything can be used as a weapon. Michaels goes behind.
And that was broken up before it could land.
From behind, Austin controlling the head. There's the clothesline.
No one's better than the Heartbreak Kid at getting the WWE suplex.
And he missed that one.
What a vicious jump.
Controlling the waist.
Oh my gosh. Ouch. Stone Cold loves two things in life: stomping mud holes and celebrating with cold beer. I have a feeling we may see both tonight.
Punk.
What a rescue there.
And there's a stiff clothesline.
Heads up. I'm not sure, but with a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye.
Again, this is a no disqualification match.
And he's getting out of there. What's he going to find? Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up any. Whoa, watch out! And this table is getting torn down. Stone Cold looks like he's starting to get fired up. Trash can being used as a weapon.
Another shot with the trash can. Goes behind.
And a jaw jacking punch.
And there's an overhand right. Looks like we're going back inside. Oh, what an elbow! And we're going back between the ropes. Has the headlock. Got out of the way of that one. Ow. He swung wild with that one. Austin.
No! Broken up!
Oh, elbow to the nose.
He's putting those educated feet to good use. Oh, man! There's no way! There's no way that Shawn Michaels is taking control again.
Michaels is so quick, nearly impossible to catch.
Man, DDT right on his face.
Austin into the headlock.
Michaels reverses it. Big elbow. We talk about strategy. There was a strategy session between our cameramen earlier today to ensure that no matter where the action goes, we can cover it. Spinebuster.
Lift the arm.
He's known for that smash mouth style. But Stone Cold is actually a very accomplished technical performer. He's spending more time outside the ring than in it. Uh-oh, there's a chair. He missed.
Vicious smack to the torso.
This guy has an arsenal at his disposal. CM Punk can come at you from anywhere and everywhere. Now with a chair.
And that's just
What's he gonna do here?
Punk's so adept at using every part of his body as a weapon. HBK's in trouble. CM Punk, a multi-time Money in the Bank winner, a multi-time world champion. He's going back outside.
Oh, big elbow. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. He's got a nasty-looking object in his hands. That was a massive German suplex.
What kind of devastation will we see now?
I don't know, but I think we're about to find out.
And a vicious shot from the trash can.
Austin, this could be bad. Man, this has been a trash can coming into play again.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh, I thought he was going to get level there. of no disqualification matches cause as much damage to you as they do your opponent. That's always something that you want to avoid, in my opinion. But then again, I don't really like either. Look at the history of Shawn Michaels, and this guy has done it all. There's nothing you can bring at him that he hasn't seen before. Uh-oh. Look where he's going again. Oh, strike. Austin's in front. He put on his weight behind that.
Thus far, this has been a very physical, very punk-based
He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet. Oh, he's on the move again.
What a match.
There's a lot of things under the ring, and all of them hurt.
Can't really influence the attack there.
Well, Kane's an effective weapon. Kane being used again.
This no disqualification match has been a war. Another crack from that kendo stick.
Time for a little Kaney. Watch it.
Oh, stopped at the last second.
Wow. He just nailed his opponent with that cane. He's just lethal with that thing. I think someone's going to get caned. With over 2 decades into the Cosmos, and he kicks out in these no disqualification matches. At times, it's the most innovative superstar, the one that comes up with a unique way of dealing damage that's able to score the win. There's all sorts of crazy stuff under the ring, and all of it can inflict a lot of damage on an opponent.
Controlling the arm. What great action we've had in this match. And he put everything he had behind that Irish whip.
I just can't get over the physicality.
Oh my God, what a chair shot.
Anything